Hi friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to make a touch sensor. To make this easy electronic project, you will need 9V battery, MOSFET, LED, 1K ohms resistor, and some wires. For your understanding, here we are using a cardboard as a PCB. After that we will test the circuit using a breadboard. You can also draw this circuit diagram on a piece of paper while watching this video. Let's test it using the breadboard. When we touch these two wires, the LED glows. And when we touch these two wires, the LED becomes dark. If you like this video and wants more, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Please like, share and comments below. Thanks for watching.